Hey, it's Riley. So I just wanted to give you guys a little behind the scenes look at the creation of my shirts. So usually it starts with just a rough sketch, something like this, just on a little post-it at work or something that I think of, and then I convert that into a digital file and then I print that off. And then from that I can make the screen, which is basically just a fancy stencil. I make mine at home using super inexpensive materials like empty frames and mesh and staples. Once I have the screen made, then I can put the emulsion on it, which is this UV sensitive green goop stuff. This is when I start my exposure process. I place the paper that has the design right on the screen, and then I lather it in baby oil, which is a little trick to turn any paper translucent. I start the exposure process by turning on a high wet bulb. So anything that's not under the blackness of the design will harden, anything that is under it will stay soft. I wash it out, and anything that was under the design will wash out, but everything that wasn't won't. And then once the screen is made, if it turns out, which is always the most nerve-wracking part of the process, but if it works, then we're good to go and we can start making shirts. So basically I just lay the screen right on top of the shirt and then cover the design with ink, and then I squeegee it right through, and then you lift it up carefully and boom, you have a homemade shirt. And as you can see, this is done in a totally DIY homegrown way, which is why these shirts are totally unique. None are exactly the same, or none are exactly perfect either. That's kind of the point. So once the ink is dry, I heat set it with an iron. That keeps the ink from washing out. Once one of you lovely people buys it, then I package it up with love and then I ship it out. So that's it. So I hope you guys liked seeing the shirts come to life and that you love them as much as I love making them. Thanks!